to my YouTube channel. I am a ghost reviewer. I see, I tell you welcome. Like, see, I don't get a YouTube channel before. I beg you. Welcome to my new YouTube channel. The name is Ghost Reviewer. You might be wondering why the name? Why the name? Let me tell you why. Because I'm a ghost.
Report that boy account. Report the account.
Name came from, like, I'm a person that like new sounds, so I try to bring this channel will try to bring like new sounds to your ear. You might not like it, you may like it, but the fact is they are gonna be a star one day. You get me? Aha. So it's just the beginning. As I'm starting, I'll soon be big too. You get. So we're reviewing the big new sounds. You get me? I don't know how to put it, but you might like the sound, you might not like it, but I tell you, they are good sounds. You get me? So for the first song we'll be reviewing today, I don't know the name. Keep you guessing. You get me? So we'll start with okay. Let's start. We'll start with Aje by Diamond, Jimma, and Otega. Otega sounds like a name that I've heard before. But let's see. Starting well. The beat is nice.
Fresh out your mouth. Otega, you know they let them tell you say you know if you stand. No matter who you are, if you told my day, that call out, we get all that face so shy, yo. Mama love, mama te, I am mommy, colita, say mama te, by my phone, you're lost to my story. You walk all over me, people rise, people fall. It's like not somebody, don't go wish a brother man fall down. But I lay on follow, that's for sure. Me my love, it's my day, me my coquello, kita anything you, like you. Me my love, it's my day, me my coquello, kita anything you, like you. Many people tell me say I don't stand, but based on who me happy. If it's my day, and I don't lie, me or
I don't understand your bubble. He's giving.
Freestyle and all of a sudden in the air with no
reminisce vibes.
I like the paycheck. Chips give me lost in Colorado, but for real, we pull up get back. My team's got me up for the night. Got to get my kick up, man. Me, I know they fuck for the lights. When they enter my eyes, from the screen of the only guy gets what they provide. I'm Miami, that's my story. We're the sucks here. But whatever the case, man, I fall for that. Cause I wish my day, my billion spy in here. Make all the jeans, give my suit, and I'll do pop collar. Nobody can see me or see you. If you don't get tough, I make you wanna surrender so easy like that. I hope I don't things to shipping. You're not a bad leaf. I'm a young man, I was gonna do it. My love, it's my day, my
that was nice. That was for the first song. If you like it, give it a try. It's by Diamond, Jimma, and Otega. All the songs I'll be calling out here, the names will be down on my bio. And I also forgot, please like, comment.
Oh, chim.
Please like, comment, subscribe. You get me? So the next song will be Tomorrow by Ayox. Let's get it.
I know you are so fine. I know you want to cry. I know you're feeling like This is the end of your life.
It's giving ghetto sorrowful vibes. You get me?
I know you're working so hard. All the tears and the pain, all the loves and the gain. If you never said today, tomorrow we could try again. Call on Baba okay, everything is gonna be okay. One day lost to go pay. Follow our shoulder.
For your information, I don't know you about. So did it cost person? Me, I don't know. But it sounds nice. You get me?
No go dey sleep on time. I hope that you realize for every blessing there's a sacrifice. I know life is so hard, but stand tall like a soldier. African boy, you're a giant. People they talk and people they vex. Family said they know they expect. I know say you good, you get the talent, but when you go pull up in your own bed, fire see you go down.
We'll still buy these beds. What did they talk about? Last. It's giving Chinese vibes, man. The next on the list is Shakara. No, they do me Shakara, baby. I beg nobody song be that too. Let me just form that one. See now, something big. Ayana, Shakara by Kayzy Nuel. Intro, match.
I got a message coming from heaven too. And an angel said I cannot alone. You say that I cannot find my way, and our souls are connected in every universe. But just why are you not here with me for?
Giving some Aje vibes and cavemen together. See mixture now, new wine, mad mixture.
I don't say that me and you could be forever too. I don't say that all your enemies they jealous. You taste like sugar. Shoot me magic when we in the water. Never ever think about the hot on fire, baby. You taste like sugar. Show me magic when we in the water. Never ever think about the hot on fire, baby. Look to Shakara, 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 look to Shakara. Cause I always run like I'm a fool. I'm not spending my heart just beats for you.
you like the sound, check it out. Kayzy, Nuel, Shakara, no they do Shakara, no they do Shakara, no they do Shakara. Mark song. The next on the list is still by Kayzy Nuel. Still Kayzy Nuel. Nice song. Today. Let's go.
On my cellular, if you wanna talk to you. Before you select if not me you choose. Tell me that you wanna bring your girlfriend to. I could spend those dollars or 10,000 naira to you, baby, today. I love you someday. Baby, look something flame. I'll show you today. Nobody will take baby, come and showcase.
Yeah, they motivate me. Yeah, they motivate me.
Baby, come and showcase. All of you today. We do something great. I can't sleep today, I guess to pray tonight. You will know my senses one day starts when you will be tired. I can't dream of nothing for my delight. But to be a lover, baby, they can be my pen and right to you. Today, all of you today. Baby, do something great. I'll show you today. Nobody will take baby, come and showcase. All of you today. Baby, do something great.
Yeah, they motivate me.
Motivate me. Now, but I want to walk as a glass. Oh, you gotta show me your love. Yeah, they motivate me. They motivate me. Now, but I want to walk as a glass. Oh, you gotta show me your love. Baby, today. All of you someday. Baby, jokes and play. I'll show you today. Nobody will take baby, come and showcase. All of you today. Baby, jokes and play.
That is Today by Kayzy Nuel. Check it out. And the next on the list is Sober by Aguero Banks. Another movie. Ha! You go tell you might be wondering what kind of strange names and sounds are you listening to? But that's what they said when I was listening to Odumodublvck. Before he came up, yeah, it's not. Yeah, I'm hearing what I'm hearing. Now, who is jamming to Odumodublvck? You and I. You get me? So it's time, you get me? But me, I hear it before. Four sides, you get me? So the next on the list is Sober by Aguero Banks. Movie. Let's go. Seeing through now. Ah, let's go. It's a bad. Let's go.
Black boy, bam. Everybody wants to point at using fingers or say to Tido. I was still in the trench of the people to down where they may bend to Tido. They're trying to block me halfway their way, get away, may bend to Tido. I was still in the trench of the female Nemo, but man, I man is Tido. You can't be full strong, but you're too sad, you know, but I'm a double. Man, we all lost the salon, Nemo, but man, a man, I double. And man, a man, I double. And man, a man, I double, man, I double. And all I double. I know we don't know. I be my foot can mandos, and not trouble can put in my own. You know, the stop hitting on my phone. Before the cloud on the ground, then do high on the low. I had to run away out of poverty, so I had to play my role. That's to be the no mama. My man is still about looking to better about in my share, go out.
See threats now, anyway. Yeah, threats now. You want? Yeah, threats, yeah, threats. No, mama. My man is still about looking to better about in my share, go out. I am but a baby to the boat to the one shot. I'm on my lane. Nothing can come between me and my money. My coma son, I've done a hundred of money. And they will give you a hundred to funny. I'm on my lane. Nothing can come between me and my money. Come on, got this over. I'm okay, I coffee show. It ain't funny. It ain't funny. I'm on my lane. Nothing can come between me and my money. Come on, that is over. I'm okay, I coffee show. It ain't funny. It ain't more funny. These people, they are just stars. 12 men, they look tall. But I'm never giving up. That's the way I was brought up. Who tell them I can't stop? Cause the bills applause. Oh God, it's never leave. The reason why I don't touch. I told my dog my time will come very soon. I will look at that. I almost people send down the rain. I'm a for check. Everything by now I'm up with boss. They do my head. With the good my head. I saw the 10 over 10. That's a busy check. No mama. My man is in my room. You my share. Go out. I'm on my lane. Nothing can come between me and my money. All these niggas come around cause I'm fucking. And the man who act funny. Act funny. Sober by Aguero Banks. Check it out. The band song. Like I said before, special mention Odumodublvck with a new song, Firegun. Kala, big Kala. You sabi now. Odumodublvck featuring Fireboy DML. Let's get it. Firegun, man. I've come to the end of this video, man. Now you know why I said ghost. Because you might not have heard of any of them. Oh. That's the thing now, you get me. That's why I say ghost reviewer. 4 sides. But yeah, now, please like, comment, subscribe. Comment on any musician you think is not out there yet, that feels that has a good sound. You get me? Not all, because someday I don't talk anything, but you get me. But with hard work, anybody can get there. That's the thing. Me, I know the. So please like, comment, subscribe. We are.